Ilele, ing salita na ng Diyos, ngayon nga ba? Pero bago tayo mag-umpisa, talakad tamo at magkanta tamo para kay Gin. Kanta tayo itang Give Me Oil in My Lamp. Give me oil in my lamp. Yeah. Ready? Sing! Give me oil in my lamp, give me burning. Give me oil in my lamp, I pray. Sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King of Kings. I wanna sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King.